Welcome to 1 Crore Projects. Today we see our new project, which is a multi-purpose robot, pick and place robot using brainwave sensor. So, in this pick and place robot, we are using a brainwave sensor, which is very important to this project. So, depends on this brainwave sensor, the robot will be controlled. So, in this brainwave sensor, there is an electrode placed in it. So, depends on this electrode sensor, the brain signals will be getting, and in this sensor, this is a wearable headband, so we can easily wearable in head itself and then close. And there is two package in it. One is for supply unit for brainwave sensor, and other unit will be sensor with Bluetooth. So we can transmit this brainwave signals through Bluetooth. So in my robot, I am also connecting one Bluetooth. So I am using this Bluetooth device. So this Bluetooth device can easily communicate from brainwave sensor to this pick and place robot. And specialized thing will be whatever the man think in their mind, from that signal will get by this brainwave sensor, and the pick and place robot will be operated. This is the knob to get reference voltage from the sensor for their connectivity. So coming to my pick and place robot, I am using a Arduino microcontroller board and buzzer for starting indication, and Bluetooth device and motor driver. So this is a specialized to access a robot which can able to move and also pick and place. So the setting will be connected and motors will be fixed on arm of robotic arm and also under the wheel. So for this we are going to give battery power supply for all robot. So in my project, after getting the Bluetooth signal connectivity, my robot will be indicating by through buzzer sound. After it getting a signal, when the human or person thinks, then the robot will be moved somewhere front, and then again if he thinks, the robotic arm will pick any of the object and again moves and drop the object. So this is the purpose of this project. So now we go to the demo to see the robot working. Now I on my pick and place robot. So and then also I start in my brain sensor kit. I'm going to on this battery. Now we're going to see the live demo. After connecting, it gives beep sound. So now it gives beep sound after the Bluetooth will be paired, and the kit will be ready to start. Yeah, now got the beep sound now. So now my robot will be moved. So these signals will be get by my brainwave sensor. So I just wear my brainwave sensor in my head, and After thinking, it just gives the signal. So those signal transmitted through Bluetooth, and depends on that my pick and place robot will move. So now yeah, so now my pick and place robot will be pick my object and somewhat moves and drop my object. So these things will be I just now thinking by using this brainwave sensor. So depends on it, it will be moved. Thank you. Keep watching 1 Crore projects.